Ophelia, what's the situation on Meridian City?
Partly cloudy, 72 degrees. A perfect day for cruise fishing.
I meant the invasion.
Oh, in that case, over a quarter of the city has been decimated by Quagmire dropships. They will not last long without support.
It's on the way. Huh? You all right, Quark?
That guy is so off my top 8. Who knows? Who cares? I don't deserve these rock-hard abs, these chiseled features, these impeccable glutes and bulbous buttocks. I'm no superhero. I am Captain Quark no more!
I believe Tachyon is heading to Fastoon.
What? How do you know?
The Zoni told me.
Then Fastoon it is.
Smashing idea! I'll stay here and coordinate the relief efforts.
Warning! Tacyon's fighters have locked onto our position. I am not sure we can shake them.
If you jettison the excess cargo, you could increase your speed.
No, that won't be necessary.
Creatures have the gall to pity me. I spent years building an army large enough to lay waste to this infernal planet.
What did you do to them?
If it's answers you seek, meet me in the court of Azimuth. Server, hold on. Okay, here we go.
I'll take the grab ramp. You find out where that door leads.